guys, what's up? Labas kami ni Balma. Doon na lang kami mag-dinner sa labas. Magsha-shower na lang kami. Kasi pagod sa work. So, tinatamad na ako magluto. Ayan guys, on the way na kami. Papunta doon sa shawarma shop, store, restaurant. At doon na lang kami kakain ng aming dinner, guys. Madilim na. Malapit lang naman yan guys dito sa aming tinitirhan sa building. Doon lang sa aming community park. What do you want? Yeah, but I know. But what do you think we will make? We will order shawarma. Half for you and half for me. Then additional French fries. Okay? At bali guys, dito yung aming community park. Ayan, meron silang mga basketball courts at tennis court and volleyball courts. So malapit lang ito dito sa aming building. Katabi nito ay yung shawarma shop. So doon kami kakain ni Balmatsuri. Cool. Ayan, may mga naglalaro. Guys, nandun din yung para sa mga kids. Manilang park. Para sa mga toddlers, may swing, may slides, at may mga obstacles. Dito naman sa dinadaan namin ito yung jogging area. Ayan. At ayan guys, dito kami kakain ni Palma ng aming dinner sa Galaxy Cafeteria. At meron na kaming reserved chairs. Bili muna kami guys na aming orderin. What is this? This? Yeah. And one shawarma, half for you, half for me. Which? This one? Potato wedges? Wedges. How about this? You like this?
Roasted snack meat.
Snack meat, huh? You don't like? Only this and one shawarma. Yeah. Brother, one this.
Okay.
One shawarma. Shawarma you cut.
Okay.
Okay.
Normal.
No? Spicy or normal? Normal. And then one pig. Chai. Ayan guys, naka-order na kami ng aming merienda. Dinner pala. Wedges kita ba? Wedges?
Coming. Making.
Ketchup. Pickles. Half lang muna guys kasi baka hindi na maubos. Half lang muna guys. Kasi baka hindi na maubos. Busog pa rin naman kami. Are you hungry? Actually we are not hungry but later on we will feel hungry because we eat a lot. It's lunch. I eat a lot. Ketchup dito, want to sawa. Dito ka magbalot ng ketchup. Okay. Kuha ka plastic, tapos lagay mo ketchup. Yummy. I like the bread. Yeah.
him. He said he's frying. I told him it's why it is making much time. This one is coming. Yes, it's coming. Pages. Yeah, तुम उधर रखेगा बाद में क्या आया? I told him why you are putting it there. Then they will eat. Put the ketchup. Why you ordered this? It's delicious. Tanda? Tanda?
Sorry, tanda?
Finish that, huh?
Shawarma lang ang naging dinner namin, saka potato wedges. At since tapos na kaming mag-dinner, ngayon ay naglalakad na kami pauwi. Okay guys,
Thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog.
bye!